Hi, today I've heard of me Galaxy Tab A9 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see sound and mood modes. You could use them just by click to one from the available modes. In mood you could also use the temporary mode. Here we got the ringtone notification and system sounds. We could change them. In volume section we could switch the ringtone media notifications and system volumes just by slide to the left or to the right side. There's dots on each of the volume panels. We could also use here the option to use volume buttons for media. When this switcher is turned off, you'll use the volume buttons to change the ringtone. Let's go back. Here we got sound quality and effects section. We could just activate and turn off the Dolby Atoms and Dolby Atoms for gaming. Let's go back. In separate app sound we could turn it on or turn it off. And we could also activate and turn off the start mode with the help of the switcher to set the schedule, the start, the end time, and to allow this option for calls, messages, apps, or any other notifications. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Galaxy Tab. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.